Hi friends, let's go to Target and see what they have for Christmas. I'm going to start with the beginning of the store. Okay, they have cute snow globes, any kind of, you can imagine, any kind of style, kitty, more, rustic. So right here, and then they have nutcrackers, really nice nutcrackers, very different. It's like the nutcracker theme, which I'm really loving. It's very pretty. Yeah, I really like these. They're so cute, very pretty. Those doggies are cute. Okay, and these are the threshold stuff. A lot of threshold over here. Okay, I am just in love with these enamel. Of course, I love enamel, and with the red trim around it. That's a bucket. You can use it for many stuff. And then this is a tray, which is really cute. I just love it. And these reindeers are really nice sized reindeers. The little red trim. And then there's the berries and all these picks. They have a lot of variety. Very good quality. They're pretty tall. I love this. Look how pretty that is with the snow. That's very good quality. Branches. And then they have the reindeer head that goes with the other reindeers. So pretty. I love this. And you put candles in there. And what I really love is this cute little candle holder. So adorable. Some glass vases, green, red, white ones, and then glass Christmas trees, which are really pretty. How pretty are those tinsel Christmas trees? That's from Opal House. All right, so very cute advent calendar, and then they have some more vases and Christmas trees, and I'm loving that white and gold. Kind of like a leopard print. Those are really pretty. All right, some more picks. And then they have these cute wooden stars. They come in white and red. They're very pretty. And there is the red truck. So pretty, it lights up. And then they have them in this Christmas tree. All right, and then these vases I think are from Opal House. All right, and then they have this cute little house that lights up in a wood base. Okay, this caught my eye. This is a countdown. It is so cute. I love these bells for vase fillers. All right, and then they have salt and pepper shakers. These are bottle toppers. Very cute. I love this cake plate. It's just so pretty. It's so pretty for Christmas. All right, and then they have some runners. And then they have, these are like place mats for your table. They have all different kind of varieties. They're very pretty. These snowflakes are really pretty too. And this one is my favorite with the little white house. So cute. All right, and then they have some other runners down here. That caught my eye because I love the red and white. Very pretty. And the poinsettias are really pretty too. And the snowflakes. These are runners. All right, so they have some stuff on this table. Very cute stuff. That's my favorite, that Merry Christmas one. All right, these trees are really adorable. They come in baskets. All right, this is a really pretty wreath. And then look how pretty this one is that goes with that wreath. It's so snowy. And this is just the plain version. But I'm loving the pine needles. This one's really pretty too. So they had some very, very pretty wreaths. All right, and that is the version of the other trees with snow on it. All right, and this is the Opal House collection for Christmas. Very pretty. So this is like their theme, I guess. It's on all their plates. How cute was that little poodle? All right, and then that's the bowl that goes with that other big platter. It's very pretty. If you like a lot of pink. And then these are just plates that go with them. And this is the runner. Very whimsical. I don't decorate like that, but I'm just loving it. And that's just a red plain velvety runner. And look how cute. I guess they love the poodles. And this is a very pretty wreath from Opal House. These are their beautiful candlesticks, so pink and red, and then the bottle brushes. closer look. And then little ornaments in there. I found this cute candle. This is from Threshold. I'm just loving it. Thinking of buying it. And then look how pretty this plaid tablecloth is from Threshold. Alright, I found some plastic glasses and dishes. They're really pretty. It's a snowman, a Christmas tree, and Santa. Those are salad plates. These are the bowls. And those are the dinner plates down there. And it comes in those three, you know, designs. There's Santa. Okay, this is Chrissy Teigen's line. I just want to show you guys. It's very pretty. She has some really nice colors. These are just like her cooking wear. I'm really loving this line. Look how pretty that green is. Very pretty. It's very like earthy. That's the cream and sugar. Look how beautiful that plate is. That really caught my eye. So pretty. And then these are the mugs. Really pretty. I was really enjoying this this collection of hers. So then they have the bowls. And then another like serving platter. Very pretty. And then another one. I found some stockings, but what really caught my eye is this. I know it comes in a pillow. They didn't have it, and that's a tree skirt, but it's so beautiful. All right, let's look at some pillows. This one's pretty, the red snowflakes. This is very pretty. It's like a cable. This one's pretty too. I like that one. It's velvet on the other side, and then that's the white cable knit pillow, and then the red one. These are velvety. They're very pretty. Okay, this is my favorite. I found these two. I just want to take them home. They're so pretty. All right, and then I found some cookie mixes, which I think they're great for gifts. Brownie mix. I just love them in a jar. I like anything in a jar. They're very cute. I would love to have that for a gift. All right, and then a lot of cookie cutters. And look at this big spatula that I need for my cookies. All right, let's go to the Wondershop and see what's going on in there. So, very pretty, very Christmassy, very fun so far. All right, so I found the red little truck. These are the smaller versions of the bigger ones. They're really cute. The cute little Woody wagon, a little trailer. So they're cute. They're cute. You can put them anywhere. You can put them in your tray. That's what I like about them. So cute. All right, there goes Santa going up. That is so cute. I love it. I'm telling you, it's very fun back here. I'm like a little kid right now. So Santa's going up the Christmas tree and he's going to put the lights all over the Christmas tree for us. All right, look how cute these ornaments are. So I'm going to show you a little of these ornaments. I like this. This is more like kitty for me. So I'm going to buy a few for my kids for their Christmas trees. So yeah, they're really like cute. They're like very dollish. You know what I mean? Like stuffed animalish, if that's a word. But yeah, so they're so cute. I love, he is adorable. Got a little penguin. Santa. That's a very shiny bell. Okay, this is what I want to show you. Look what it does on the ceiling. That is so cute. My kids would love that. Alright, then there's some ornaments, mini ornaments. And then these are all the ornaments that go on that tree. So, and then they had a lot of initials and names. You'll never find my name on one of them. Alright, look how cute these are. I might get those for my kids. The little ornaments, they're elves. So adorable. The girl one was really cute. And then they have some letters made out of yarn, which I thought that was cute too. And then they had the little birdies. I love this snowflake. It's very pretty. And then they had some other goodies down here. I love those pom-poms. So very cute. If you want it. And these are safe for the kids. You know, they can't break them. Especially if you have like a 1-year-old or a 2-year-old. You know, they can grab them and play with them. That's fun. And then they had some cute decorations for the kids. Not even for the kids. It can be for us too, grown-ups. All right, some shiny reindeers. There is Santa. He does something. Okay, Santa's gonna dance right now. Santa's so cute. All right, wait. The reindeer's gonna join him. I think the reindeer's gonna dance with him too. What do you guys think? Oop, there they go. So cute. And there is a snowman going in circles. My kids were playing with these. They were having fun. All right, and look how cute this is. Merry Christmas. Wow. My son really liked that. Couldn't stop playing with them. All right, and then Santa countdown. And then they had some snow globes that were really cute. Those were adorable. And I like because the snow just keeps on going. All right. And then they had some cute birdies. I think they're so adorable. I love what they were wearing. Okay, and a whole bunch of ornaments. I'm not going to go through the ornaments, but they have a lot of ornaments, a lot of initials like I told you. All right, this Christmas tree is really cute. I want to show you the ornaments on them. So, yeah. All right, some more birdies. They have like a lot of gnomes over here if you're into gnomes. North Pole sign. Santa stop here. All right, these are cute trees. They're made out of yarn. I thought they were really cute and different. And then we got some more snow globes and Santa rocking back and forth. There's reindeers. So cute. Santa mailbox. That is an ornament, I think. And some other stuff, little ornaments, and a little wooden tree. The nutcracker, the joy sign lights up too. And then a Merry Christmas banner, which is very cute. It's made out of like yarn. Cute little pillow, and then that's the big red truck. So that one's pretty big. And the camper. And I like this garland with the red beads on them. It was very pretty. All right, some cute ornaments. I just love them. They're very like rustic and metal-y. So I really like these ornaments right here. You know, and the kids can't break them. That's what I think is so great. Those are really cute for a tree in your kitchen. Cute little red door. This one was really nice. Merry Christmas. Sled, and then some red, really pretty letters. Okay, I want to show you this Christmas tree because it's so tinsely. It is so fun. I don't decorate with this, but I just love it, and it was so fun. Very whimsical. Very bright colors. My daughter was loving this tree. Let's see what else they have on this tree. Cute joy sign, very glittery and shiny. And okay, and here's another tree. This is more like woodland. I love this tree, and I love the way it is like very sparse, and you can see the ornaments. Very cute. So they have many styles. You can pick, you know, so many different styles in Target. That's what I just love. And then they decorate the Christmas tree, and then the bins are right next to them, and you can get all the ornaments that you see on the Christmas tree. So I'm loving that this year. And these are very cute wooden candy canes. I like the red and white. And these are cute, felt. And these are really adorable. They're little sweater ornaments. These are cute ornaments. Their legs and arms move. You just gotta pull the little string. I couldn't because I was filming with the other hand. But yeah, they're very vintagey looking ornaments. These are cute. What else? Oh, these are cute. These are like picture frames out of buffalo check. More cute ornaments. I like that wooden one. Cute joy sign. I like those little bells as ornaments. Cute little gnomes. Santa. Those are really cute. That's what I'm saying. Those are like more like woodland. So, but I'm loving them. Those are really cute. I love those buffalo check initials. Really cute. You can put them on their stockings too. Alright, this is cute. This is like a woodland too for me. Alright, and very white. That snowman is really cute. That is really pretty. Those reindeers are very sparkly. So, what do they have here? Ooh, so cute. That bear is really adorable. That Santa Claus is adorable too. I like his face. And then they have some beads I see. They're white and red ones. Okay. I needed those. The wreath is very pretty and snowy. And then they have some little birds. I guess they're ornaments. A Noel sign. These trees light up, which are very cute. I like those trees that are sparse looking and very shiny, vintagey reindeers. Okay, and they have so many ball ornaments that you can choose from. I'm not going into depth. All right, and more ornaments. I want to just give you a quick look at some other ornaments which I thought were really cute. More initials, reindeers. This little white house is too cute and it lights up. All right, look at all these lights. I was amazed by all the colors and shapes of these Christmas lights. So pretty. All right, and then they had a cocoa station I want to show you guys, which I really loved. So milk chocolate Santa, and then they had a variety pack, you know, of your hot chocolates, and then these are what you sprinkle on top, and then they have these cute little canisters of any kind of flavor you want of hot chocolate. And those reindeers are so cute. Cute mug. All right, so okay, and they set up a Dylan's candy bar here, which I love. Dylan's candy bar. I always go in the city, and Ralph Lauren's daughter owns this candy shops. And if you've never been to a Dylan's candy bar, you must go. I know they're all over now. They're in Miami. They're all over. So check if you have one right by you and go. It is so fun. Take the kids. All right, so I'm going to just show you around. I'm not going to explain everything. I'm going to show you what they have, and it's so cute and fun. And yeah, so look how cute that is. I thought that was adorable. Look how fun that is. I want to just take that home. All right, and then they have Santa. It's a lollipop. Okay, look how cute this is. This is so adorable. They have all kinds of candy in that little case. Lollipops. Okay, I think that's a big gummy Santa. It looks to me. Another Santa lollipop. That Christmas Crunch looks so good. I love popcorn, especially if it's Christmas Crunch popcorn. Okay, this one's a huge one. It has all the candy, yeah, in there. I would love that gift, actually, for myself. All right, cute lollipop. All right, and I want to show you, they have earmuffs and gloves. It was so colorful. I don't know if this is Crayola. I don't know what it is, but they had every color of the earmuffs and the gloves. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this shop with me at Target. I showed you all these different stuff. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I hope you're having a beautiful holiday season. Stay tuned for more of my videos. And thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.